Hey guys, I wanted to talk to you about on-call booking process, how you book your service calls after hours. This morning I get up early, and this morning I was sitting over here at my other desk watching technology as I read some other things, and I noticed about 5:30 in the morning Ann booked a call for a client in New Jersey for a leaking water heater. And then about 6 a.m., the technician had it, and Ann called the customer back and said, hey, we're on our way. Previously, we used to lose those kinds of calls. My customer did, because those are golden opportunities. And when people have emergencies, they tend not to want to wait, and they want to have the assurance that they've been taken care of. And before, my client would come in about 7:30, one of the persons, CSR, and they would go through messages from the previous day. You might not see that one immediately, and by the time we called everybody back and got to that call, the leaking water heater, they had already gotten someone else to come out there. So how many of you are booking calls after hours? If you're doing it that way, you're doing it right. And how many of you are not? How many of you are either letting people leave voicemails, you got an answering service that takes a message, or you have a technician that answers an on-call telephone at night? If you are not booking calls when the customer calls, I think you're making a mistake. People want what they want when they want it. With technology today, it's very easy to answer and book and dispatch calls from anywhere in the world, very inexpensively, while you're sleeping. If you're not booking calls as they come in, you're probably losing a lot of revenue. Hey, thank you for joining in, and God bless. Subscribe to my channel, hit this bell to be notified when a new video comes out.